Welcome to the Keto Meal Online. My name is Cyril Jr. and today I'm making the Keto Bulletproof coffee. The ingredients that you're going to need for the coffee is obviously coffee, usually some coarse coffee grounds. You're going to need non-salted butter. You could get it pretty much anywhere. The next ingredient that you need is the MCT oil. I got this at a health food store. It took me a while to look to find this. I checked Walmart. They don't have it. You only can order online on walmart.com or .ca. But I will put the link at the bottom on where you could get this. The equipment that I'm going to be using is a French press. I'm going to make French press coffee, but you could pretty much make coffee from anything. So filtered coffee, instant coffee. The choice is really yours, but today I'm going to be using the French press. You will also need a blender. Today I'm using the Magic Bullet, but you could use your own blender. If you have a blender, go ahead and use it. And last but not least, you're going to need some hot water. So I just boiled some hot water about 5 minutes ago. So you're going to need some hot water to for the French press. But like I said, you could use instant coffee, your own fresh brew, or even if you want, go to your local cafe and pick up a cup of coffee. The first step in making a French press coffee is you'll need to get 3 grounds of coffee. Let's pull this out. You take 3 heaps of scoops of coffee. There. Hopefully you guys can see that. 1, 2. And there we go. 3. Oops, I'm making a mess there. All right, let's just clean that up a little bit here. There we go. Next, you will take your pot of hot water, and you pour it. You pour your coffee in slowly. You let it sit there for a bit. You let it sit there for about 4 minutes, so that the grounds could be saturated. Make sure to put the cover back on so that to keep the heat inside of the French press. As you can see, I'm just adding my cover so that the heat stays inside and helps brew the coffee beans. So once the water has soaked up into the beans, I usually take off the lid for the French press and add more water to top it off. I slowly put the cover back on, right, and then I slowly press the coffee down slowly. So you're pushing the beans all the way down to the bottom. As you can see, all the coffee beans are completely pushed to the bottom. Once you have your fresh brew of coffee, you'll get your blender. So like I said in the beginning, you should have a blender. The Magic Bullet works very fine. It's quick, it's easy, and it's easy to clean up. So I'm using the Magic Bullet. So you turn your filter. Let's turn and then you slowly pour your coffee into. Let's make sure this is pouring right. Pour it into your cup. Let's pour that. All right. Pour your coffee into the cup. Next, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. So as you can see, here's one. Here's one tablespoon. And here's number 2 tablespoon of that goes into your coffee cup, into your blender. Next, you're gonna take your MTC oil. So as you can see, MTC oil, you open that up, you take 2 tablespoons of MTC oil, 1, 2. As you can see, it's not blended, so you'll see the coffee's at the bottom, and then you see the butter and the oil is at the top. You take your blender, your Bullet, put the cover back on. You get your coffee, flip it upside down, put it into the blender, and once that's done, you'll see it's all blended. You get your cup, open it up, nice hot. Look at that. That looks great. And here you go. Pour that into your cup of coffee, in your mug, and there you go. You have your keto-friendly Bulletproof coffee. And there you go, folks, the Bulletproof coffee. This is a coffee that you would drink in the morning when you wake up, or even in the afternoon when you need something a little pick-me-up. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget hit the bell notification. And if you have anything that you tried different, or if you tried a different ingredients instead of the ingredients that I mentioned here today, let me know in the comments. And the recipe will be posted below with the link to the MCT oil. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.